For any man to perform well, he need to do things that will help him to perform well. So you are on the right channel on men secrets and natural ways to keep men. And today's video is all about why do I keep losing an erection before penetration. Most men experience this ailment or this problem, but in today's video I want to share with you some things that may cause you to always lose erection, and these are the natural things that may cause it. So avoid any of them, and if you do this, be consistent. Consistency will lead you to good performance as a man. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know why a man keep losing an erection. Maybe you ask yourself a question: why do I keep losing an erection before penetration? But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. If today is your first time to come across this channel, please make sure to be a member of this channel by hitting the like button. Subscribe and make sure that you turn on the bell to get you notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. Now, why do I keep losing an erection is a very important question any man that experiences this need to ask himself. And if you ask yourself this question, in no distant time you will get solution as far as you keep seeking or looking for solutions to this problem. And that is what I want to disclose in this video, which is very important. There are many causes of this, but I want to share some things that may cause it, few of them on my list. And if you can get rid or avoid all this, by the grace of God Almighty, your life can never remain the same. So number one thing that may cause a man to always lose erection is too much stress. Yes, when a man walk beyond his capacity, when a man adopts stress on daily basis, it can make him to experience weakness or fatigue, and this will also affect his immune system, his strength, veins and arteries in his body system, and this can make a man to always lose erection, especially if you embark or indulge in too much stress on daily basis. It can also help you or make you to always lose erection. Number two thing that can cause this problem is malnutrition. Yes, when a man don't eat a good food, always eat food that your body system don't need, it can also lead to lack of erection. It can also make a man to always lose erection before penetration. So avoid malnutrition, eat the right food, take balanced diet, fruits and vegetables. This will improve your blood flow and blood circulation, and with this good blood flow and blood circulation, it can also make you to have a good erection and make you to last longer. Another thing that can cause a man to always lose erection before penetration is infection. Yes, infection is very bad to all men, not only men. It can also make a man or woman, children, not to live a healthy life, not to be happy. So infection can also cause a man to lose his performance or lose erection before penetration. So avoid this infection. If you experience or see any signs or symptoms, go for medical checkup or medical diagnosis to check your body system. If you have anything like infection, treat it as a man that want to perform well, a man that want to last longer. Treat infection so that you will be the best man you want. Another thing that can cause this problem is too much sugar in the body system, especially in your blood system. Too much sugar can make a man to always lose erection. So avoid too much sugar and be the best man you want to be. Another thing that can cause this problem is other related issues like maybe diabetes, exposing yourself to chemical or exposing yourself to heat. It can also make a man to lose erection. So these are the things you need to avoid if you need to perform well, to always have a good erection as a man, and to last longer. So this is what I want to share in this video. Please avoid any of them or get rid of any of them in case you experience them or you get yourself involved in any of them. Avoid them as far as you want to perform well as a man. As far as you want to keep having a good wood, please avoid all these that I mentioned and other things that can also lead to this problem. If you do, you will be the best man you want to be. So this is what I want to share in this video, and I believe that you get value from watching this video. Please subscribe to join this channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell to get you notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, drop it down in the comment section. I will never hesitate to reply your comments as fast as possible. See you in my next video. I wish you good luck. I wish you good performance as a man. Bye.